In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the minimum age restriction on Instagram. So the first thing you need to do is just open up the Instagram application and then click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. Now from the settings, you first need to make sure you have a professional account on Instagram. So if you don't already have this set up, you can scroll down to account type and tools and click on switch to a professional account. And just go through the steps to go and set up a professional account on Instagram. Now, once you've set up a professional account, we can head back over to the settings page. From settings, scroll all the way down to creator tools and controls. Click on minimum age, and to go and remove a minimum age from your account, just click on the remove button next to default. And obviously, if you want to go and add a minimum age, you can click on the add button and you can go and set an age to restrict certain people from accessing your profile. Once you finish, click done in the top right hand side. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.